Hey bro, check this out.
What?
Look, check it out.
What?
Check it out. Look, it's another Supra.
Oh my God. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein. This is Vehicle Virgins, and today we are headed to the SEMA show in Las Vegas.
Thanks, Alex and Gigi.
Are you guys serious?
Do you even know where we're going?
No. These BBSs look great. Venturi carbon fiber engine cover. I dig it. Well guys, we finally made it to SEMA, and check this out. Fellow YouTuber and friend Stradman's car is front and center in the main hall. I'm actually so stoked for you, dude. Your car looks so good, but the goal for today's video is very, very simple. As I said, I didn't want to build my Supra prior to seeing every single option available, wide body kits, wheels, exhaust, interior component, suspension at SEMA. So we're gonna look for every single aftermarket part available, and I want you guys to comment in the comment section below which ones I should get for my Supra. I really do like Stradman's wing on the Pandem kit. So honestly guys, one of the big debates I'm having is, do I wide body the car or do I leave it stock body and just add a whole bunch of aftermarket carbon fiber bits and a new wing on the back? This is some unique parts that I haven't seen before. Check out this louvered rear engine cover, massive wing, and carbon diffuser. I'm a fan of these wheels too. All right, this particular video is supposed to be all about Supras, but this GT2 RS is way too cool not to show you guys. Look at that, stripped out interior, carbon fiber door panels, new seats. They took out the screen. I know Malcolm's in love with this thing. This is sick. Ford GT Mark II race car. Another absolutely sick Supra build. This one is wide bodied. We're at the Ray's Wheels booth right now. Once again, I love that wing. And I've been thinking about what kind of wheels to get, and TE37s look so good on the Supra. Let's check them out. What do you guys think? All right guys, another thing we gotta do to the Supra is upgrade the brakes. So we're talking to Brembo about working something out. All right, so in tomorrow's video, we're gonna do a longer feature on this because TJ's coming down, and I wanna do a YouTuber's builds, best builds of SEMA, and get everyone involved. But seriously, I am so proud of TJ for designing his own kit and collaborating. This might be the best looking wide body kit on the market right now. Check this out. I actually love these HRVs. They kind of remind me of the Volk TE37s. I like the red details. And that wing is kind of almost Mark IV Supra-ish, but it looks clean. And I gotta say, the fit and finish on this car, especially for getting it done for SEMA, is the best of any wide body kit I've seen. Check this out guys, full carbon fiber wide body Hellcat Charger, custom interior, and look at the exhaust pipes. The other debate, of course, is to go with an airlift system or go static. What do you guys think? I'm thinking honestly, get some high-end Olin, he knows the drill, some static setup.
Oh my God.
So we've got the pure upgraded turbo sitting at the shop getting ready to be installed in the Supra, but I don't know guys, this 5,500 horsepower precision turbo could be the move. Apparently this thing weighs like 110 pounds. Put your head next to it for size.
There's my hand.
That's ridiculous.
That's pretty big.
That's satisfying. McLaren with BBS FIRs, I dig it. I might.
You won't.
Honestly guys, as I see more and more Supras, I'm thinking the stock body, as in non-wide body, is the way to go. This kit looks absolutely badass, especially on these BBS LMs. Check this out, one of my favorite parts of this kit is this component right here. Look at that, so you can see the front wheels poking out. Look at that wing too. All right, what I said about the wide body thing, I changed my mind. If I can make my car look exactly like that, that would be sick. This actually is the coolest looking Supra ever made. Oh my gosh. Because race car, look at this. BBS FIR center lock wheels. I wonder if I could get those for my street car. Look how savage this rear diffuser is and that single outlet exhaust pipe. I think one of the coolest parts of this race car concept is the canards on the sides, and they're actually molded into the body itself. That is wild. We are literally in the land of Supras right now. Check out how many freaking Supras are all around. The crazy part is this is actually Toyota's booth, and they decided to come out with a whole bunch of concept cars and concept parts to display what they could do with the new Supra. Apparently this one has 700 horsepower. It's got almost like the Mark IV style wing, but like the size of a 747 wing. Another stock body one with some clean modifications. I really like that front splitter. All right, guys, I honestly think this is one of the most tastefully modified 2020 Supras in the entire show. Look at that Mark IV style wing. That diffuser is insane. And I don't know if it was a joke or not, but my buddy Drag Times Info, Brooks, posted on Instagram that he bought this car. Oh yeah, I'm digging the center exit exhaust too. That is badass. I need that wing. Matte green actually looks really good on this car. When I was toying around with the airbag idea earlier, that was actually a joke. I really want to have some legitimate high performance suspension so this car handles very, very well. And Öhlins is one of the best companies. So I talked to them a little bit earlier. I think we might get some Öhlins suspension for the Supra. Woo. My buddy Max's 488 GT3 car. This is so sick. Do you even have an iced out radiator though? Check this out, guys. Carbon Series 4 GT. Look at those carbon fiber wheels. Exposed carbon fiber stripes. That is badass. Daytime, nighttime, daytime. Okay, as far as M4 builds go, this is one of the craziest I have ever seen. Look at this wide body kit. The wheels on this are savage. Got some Volks. I mean, look at the design of the wide body. That is wild. And the interior too, bunch of carbon fiber add-ons. That wing, damn. Got the Varis M4 and the Evo, and Malcolm being an idiot. All right, there are a bunch of awesome things about this Supra. One, we got the Audemars Piguet sticker on the front splitter. I don't know what it's doing there, but it kind of looks badass. And two, this car has a center lock conversion. I got all sorts of ideas now. Look how sick that looks. I bet this thing's slow, holy moly. Okay, the final piece of the Supra modification puzzle is, do we manual swap it or not? This company, European Auto Group, who was gracious enough to host me for SEMA, is manual swapping Supras, and this is the first manual A90 Supra in the entire world. Check this out.
That's tight.
Manual transmission swap in a 2020 Supra. Interestingly enough, I asked him what transmission they use for the car. It's a 5 Series diesel transmission. Originally, I would have thought they'd put an M transmission or something like that in it, but that's because it can handle the extra torque, which means big power. This is the craziest Porsche Cayman I have ever seen. Center seat conversion, and then come around back. Those turkeys. Another Supra with the vented fenders? What do you mean Alex Choi on the gas? Is it? Nah. Alex Choi, is that you? MFR rear diffuser, I really like that. What do you guys think? Dude, Supras and BBS LMs. Nice hand, you could be a vlogger, man. This is a good combination, I like these. That is one clean looking 992 next to a BMW M1. This is one of the most badass cars ever made. Please make a modern day interpretation of this. All right, look what Malcolm just figured out. We don't know if this is a thing or not, but it seems like something Porsche would do.
So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. That's pretty cool.
That's cool. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. We've got some incredible options for the Supra. I'm thinking, I don't know, the BBS LMs, Öhlins suspension, that center exhaust, maybe that Mark IV wing on the back, the EVS tuning kit, so many cool things. Maybe a manual swap, probably a manual swap. See you guys next video.